All right, a couple showers trying to move in right now, but the good thing to know is even though the shower activity may start to pick up this evening as some of these begin to slide southeastward and there could be an embedded thunderstorm, the main severe threat's going to shape up here to our west. And as a matter of fact, we may have another watch issued for western Iowa and Nebraska, but this is a severe thunderstorm watch. You can see the storm's really blowing up here to our west. This will be the organized severe threat zone. But again, we'll get a little bit of rainfall during these overnight hours. And even right now, we've got a couple showers kind of developing in a line here from just southeast of Lafayette all the way up through the Lafayette area near Colfax and Clarks Hill, all the way up to Kankakee. But you can see some of the heavier rainfall up here near Kankakee, and this is drifting southeastward. So get ready for to at least keep the umbrella handy if you're headed out to dinner during these evening hours. Now, FutureCast really not honing in on this rain very well. This is a computer model, and it's the job of the meteorologist to kind of decipher all the computer model data and go with a forecast. And obviously, this model not picking up on the rain very well, but it will be around in a scattered fashion this evening, perhaps a thunderstorm. But tomorrow, once the showers we have tonight pull away, the sun will come out, the clouds will bubble up, and I think we'll see at least a few scattered storms, as you can see here, tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Now, in terms of a severe weather threat, I think the main severe weather threat is going to be with a cluster of storms to our southwest and west. Now, if it gets hot enough and unstable enough tomorrow, can't rule out one little isolated severe storm and some of these scattered storms, but most of you will be okay, and the coverage is going to run around 30% for tomorrow afternoon, and there could be at least a couple pop-ups on Sunday as well and Monday. But then the organized potential of storms arrives by next week. All right, highs tomorrow, though, warmer than today, and it will be more humid. The heat index running low to mid-90s. The high temperature about 85 to 90, 89 in Lafayette, 88 in Monticello, and about 88 at Logansport and Peru towards Bunker Hill and onward. So here's the outlook, though. Over the next several days, we'll try to pinpoint the timing of these clusters of severe storms. Again, you saw that one tonight to our southwest sliding away. Tomorrow, you see the main severe threat to our southwest, but at least a couple storms popping in the heating of the day. I've lowered that high a little bit down to 89 based on new data that's arrived. And then on Sunday, perhaps a couple storms around. Again, only around 20% coverage, mainly in the afternoon. Severe threat stays to our southwest. As we get into Monday, there could be a couple isolated storms, but I think Tuesday onward, the main storm track will tend to line up in our viewing area. Rather than being southwest of us, it will line up in such a way that we'll get in on some more widespread storms and better potential of perhaps some severe weather. Again, Tuesday, Wednesday, even into later next week, and it will really start to heat up. Again, these storms are going to be on the periphery of a big plains heat wave with temperatures at or above 100. Tonight, though, mostly cloudy, at least some scattered showers, perhaps a couple thunderstorms. No severe weather, no real intense storms, though. 67 for the low. Tomorrow, warmer and more humid, partly cloudy, perhaps a few scattered storms popping in the afternoon and evening. Main severe threat against southwest. If there's any severe weather, very isolated tomorrow afternoon. A couple storms on Sunday and Monday, but the better chances of storms will be early and middle parts of next week. Jeff, with highs in the 90s.
Okay, you're a State Fair fan, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, if you go to the